Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm shrink wrapping my Ocean Breeze bars, and I put them in these little bags. Let me show you where I get them from, in case you want to know. I get them from Paper Mart. They come in a case. I can't remember if that 100 represents how many are in the case or not. It seems like there's more than that, but I really don't know. It's been too long since I ordered them. But these are 4 by 6 inches, and this says GA. It says 100 GA. That might be what it represents, the kind of bag it is, but I really can't tell you that for sure. It's a shrink bag, and it comes from Paper Mart. All right, so the 4 by 6 inch one fits my soap just perfectly, and I let a little space out here, and then push it in a little bit. I go in with my finger like that a little bit, turn on my heat gun, and we just heat it up just a little bit, just to, careful because it's hot, just to kind of make it hot enough to press that together. It almost makes it a little mushy when you do that, and lets you mush the bag together, but you don't finish the process. You keep moving it, and it becomes an art. You got to keep it moving so you don't do any blowouts. There you go. And you just keep moving it around. See, that's loose. We're going to tighten it up. And then we're going to keep it moving again. And this is how it works. And almost there. Oh, I had a blowout. Okay, let's do another demonstration then. A better one. Let's try again. Include that in your expenses when you're thinking about making soap, that you might have some mistakes that you'll have to pay for by just throwing away certain things, unfortunately. Or using your product sometimes when you can't sell it. All part of the business. Alright. I probably hung out on it too long, that's why I had a blowout. You don't want to do that. So easy. Keep it moving. There we go. Alright, so here's some already completed shrink wrap. Nice, see? And we're going to get labels, and it'll have our label on the front. I know you still don't know the name of our business. And it'll have the ingredients on the back. The ingredients will also be seen on the website. And these are Ocean Breeze, so you got a little sneak peek of how it works here at our soap shop. That is coming to you soon. As soon as I can decide how I'm going to put the website up, whether it's going to be WordPress, Weebly, whatever. I'm going to figure that out. This one I'm going to undo and do over again. Thanks for watching. Better. All right, see you guys later.